In a world driven by sustainability and environmental awareness, electric vehicles, EVs, have reached new heights of popularity. The global electric vehicle market was valued at $388.1 billion in 2023 and is expected to reach $951.9 billion by 2030. The rapid rise in EV adoption has brought challenges such as charging infrastructure, range anxiety, and charger compatibility, increasing the demand for efficient and convenient charging solutions. This is where EV charging apps come into play. And your app EV charging app can become a game changer in this market with technically advanced features like Find charging stations, Book charging slot, Integration with vehicle, Payment options, Sharing home charger. Get started on your app journey today. Our team at Royo can assist you in launching your very own EV charging app. We are offering you a comprehensive tech suite for EV charging station app including an admin panel, user app and EV station app with over 5,000 plus satisfied clients worldwide. We're experts in custom software and app development. Click on the link given in the description and schedule a free consultation with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.